headed out to Lake Stevens to meet Linda. It's this community that's north of Snohomish. She was on the market for about 20 days at $425.
Wow. That should have flown.
I know. The market is changing so dramatically.
It absolutely has become more stressful, I would say, for us to put our money in to these homes.
This house is a 3-bed, 2-bath at 1,240 square feet. So I'm really anxious to see what was the holdup.
It's like right here. Is this? Look at all the sticker bushes.
Well, first off, you can't even see the house because of this big tree.
Okay, so it's down. Well,
yeah, it's down a flag lot, it looks like. Because look, there's there's 2 homes. It's up here on the right.
Okay.
The reality is, if you don't catch somebody outside, you'll never get them to go inside.
Yeah. Really, we could use some serious curb appeal.
Like curbalicious. Hi, Linda.
Oh my gosh, you've come to save the day. Thank you.
Well, that's what our goal is.
Hopefully.
Before we go inside, tell me a little bit about Larry. He was here for a while, right?
Yes. Bachelor.
Okay.
Army veteran, Army band and
Fantastic.
chorus, sang everywhere.
And you guys tried to sell already?
Yes.
And that was at $425. Did you get any offers?
We had like an offer at $375. And then they looked at it and went, no, thank you.
That's crazy because the location is amazing.
It is.
And you're a Rambler.
Which is
so sought after.
Yes. This house, you know, 6 months ago, there's no way it would have sat on the market at, I mean, any price, really.
Yeah.
$425, this would have gone in hours.
Okay, show us around.
Okay.
Let's go.
Oh my gosh, look at these vaulted ceilings.
Yes.
That really adds to that 1,250 square foot. I love the big window.
Did Larry use the stove much?
Absolutely.
I could see, though, with children, a little difficult because it's not protected at all. This definitely looks like original carpet. Nice sized kitchen. It's definitely a little more of that 70s feel lighting.
It just casts a shadow of dated. It would be nice if we could lift the ceiling some. They dropped it for a reason. We'll have to see what else is up in there. Great size pantry.
Yeah. Okay, let's go continue exploring this home.
Okay, here we go.
Here we go.
Bedrooms, bathrooms, and first bathroom. Wow, this is taking me back.
Oh, a lot of the pieces have seen the extent of their life. It's the only full bath, correct?
This is it.
Bedroom. Wow, that is pink carpet.
Oh my.
I
Blue
love
to
that I
pink.
can see where the bed was for 20 years.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And
Oh,
a
that is a nice walk-in closet.
Oh.
Great windows, great size.
This is so nice having a bathroom. Oh, just a toilet and a sink. It would be nice if we could put like a shower. I mean, that seems like something we might need to solve a problem there.
Yeah, I agree, but I'm just not totally sure how. Okay, let's go.
It's just every single room has to be touched. There's nothing that's finished. I don't see a homeowner coming in and wanting to take on a project this big.
What I would imagine is this is gonna be a first-time home buyer.
Yeah.
And first-time home buyers typically gather all of the extra cash that they have to put a down payment on their first home. I think that's why it hasn't been purchased. They don't have the extra funds to purchase and make those changes.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, Linda, for showing us around. Honestly, you know, we never know what we're gonna walk into. So now that we've seen it, we'll go back to the office, kind of look at comps, look at what the, max is in this area, what areas need to be touched. Let us go do some research and we'll contact you in the next couple days.
Okay, lot
Yeah.
to think about.
Yep. Okay, you want to talk about Lake Stevens property.
I do. So today we get to look at all the pretty things that are going in this house.
And how much we're gonna put into this house, if all of that's going to line up, if we can even take on this project. So there's a lot of things that need to be determined before we pick the pretty stuff.
But it has to be pretty to sell. So overall, on the outside, we're gonna paint the house.
Yes.
I'd like to add a tall fence on the side, lower fence in the front. What I would love to do is add a trellis. That way, the side of the house you see from the street would be a little more attractive.
We're gonna make that baby curbalicious.
Yes, as you would say. You enter in all new LVP flooring. We'll remove the wood stove and turn the dining room window into French doors leading into the backyard. In the kitchen, in a dream world, we can vault that ceiling to match the rest of the living room. We will remove the bank of cabinets all the way around.
Yep.
Put in new cabinets. Where the pantry is, I would love to utilize that as a place to sink our fridge in, and then lots of countertop space.
Love it. So really, we're not moving a lot of walls, which is gonna help on our budget.
In the bedrooms, we will really play with, trim, floors, new doors. And then the main bathroom, I would love to find a way to grab shower space.
As you know, she was trying to sell at $425,000. With all of these updates and still making a profit for her and us, I have that we could put in about $75,000.
Wow.
That's not a huge amount. We're gonna be cutting it close. Everything that's in this house that is dated needs to go, which is basically everything.
We're definitely taking out that wood stove and the hearth. And we're turning that greenhouse window in the kitchen nook into French doors, which will make everything feel much more open and airy.
Whoa! Wow. Oh my gosh. It's amazing how much bigger it looks.
You guys, I'm very, very happy about this. And they open.
They do function.
Esau, you going out? No, didn't think so.
Sounds good.
Okay, this looks awesome. I actually brought my materials.
Yeah.
But first, holy moly. Look at how much room.
You get a vaulted ceiling.
I begged for a vaulted ceiling.
So this is truly by happenstance. The truss system was already built out this way.
Whoa.
So this is awesome. We'll take advantage of what they already did for us.
So what are we gonna do about cabinets on this side?
We'll have our upper still, and you'll have, essentially the space above the upper that you could
Okay.
put stuff on.
Okay.
If you wanted, or you could do something cute.
He goes, do something
cute.
You'll figure it out. Yeah. All right, let's talk about the theme of this house. We're
Yeah.
doing Earthy Boho. I want this to feel young, hip, cool, because this is a lower price point, very family friendly, and I do think it will probably be that younger first-time home buyer. After only 2 weeks, this house looks so much better. Trimming everything up outside has really helped.
All of our drywall's done, and we've got new tile going up everywhere. The kitchen floor, the hall bathroom, plus all that tile you wanted for the shower is going on the wall instead. There's literally nothing that makes a house feel more clean than fresh tile.
Ooh, that's gorgeous.
Yeah.
With this house, we can do something really fun. It's probably a younger buyer, first-time buyer. So we're doing like Earthy Boho.
Yep.
I say we play around with the colors. Try each color on each of the surfaces.
Yep.
The body, the door, and the trim. Oh, gosh, I love this color. I want to be very careful that we pick a good color against the brick.
Yep.
Ooh.
Ooh, that might be a little much for a house.
Okay, I think I know what I want to do. We've got the wickery color for the trim, and the white really is going to look the prettiest against the brick.
So we're gonna do the wicker
Yeah.
on the trim.
Yeah.
We'll do the white on the house, which will really make it look big. And then the urbane
Yep.
on the door,
Yes.
which will really make that door stand out.
Love it.
Love it. So we've painted it to give it that Earthy Boho upgrade. And we also put a fence around it to give it even more of a curbalicious feel. This looks awesome.
Well,
yeah.
You just told me to put 3 posts in,
Yes.
and that's what I did. So yeah,
Mission accomplished.
sweet.
So now we've got this beautiful fence. We're coming down the driveway. Something to just make this side of the house pop.
Yeah. Sweet.
So building a little very simple trellis.
Cool.
I really am excited for the trellis to go up because I feel like it's going to take that blank wall when you first pull up and add dimension to it and interest. It's going to give you that, ooh, what's going on with this property?
Yep.
Kind of feeling. It's that little extra pizzazz. So nice and simple.
Yep.
But it will definitely add to this side of the house.
Yeah.
So inside the house, we bought new white doors. Then we painted the trim a light gray. So it gives it that really cool pop. Whoa! What a difference. Look at how great these look.
Lindsay, it pulls out like the cream brown in these
Yeah,
floors
yeah.
with the trim.
Yeah.
Great choice.
Big difference. checking in today on the house, seeing the color of the trim, the color of the doors. I'm incredibly happy with the way that turned out. Is this our vanity for the main?
Yes.
Okay.
So this is the one you were considering us painting.
I think we should.
Owen's on the other side of the house, tiling the main bathroom floor with the same tile as on the kitchen floor.
Yeah.
But that's not what's the most exciting. The most exciting is the tile is going on the backsplash in the kitchen all the way to the ceiling.
Yeah.
Which I was a little nervous with at first, but I gotta say, I get it now.
It looks so good. And what I was really going for was that something special and different in this home that a buyer isn't gonna see in every other house out there. So when they're scrolling through listings, they're gonna say, oh yeah,
I want that one.
I wanna see this house for sure. So excited, we're finally moving on to my favorite part of the entire process, staging the house. All right, I think we should
So this is how you want it, and then with the top plate?
Yes, please, and then just the little lemons.
Oh.
So the rattan placemat and then
Yeah.
the canvas napkin, so that gives us a little bit of the earthy and then a little bit of that boho feel. I really wanted to capture that organic, free-spirited feeling in that earthy boho. So we're bringing in layers of different colors and patterns to give it that bohemian style, while maintaining that natural, earthy vibe that's relaxing and comfortable. I cannot wait for Linda to see this place.
She's gonna love it.
Oh my gosh, is
Oh,
that
this
her?
is her, I think.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Yay!
Oh, she's so cute.
This is so unbelievably amazing. Yay!
The new garage door, all the new paint, the new light fixtures.
We want when you're driving past for people to see, like,
Yes.
this is your whole property.
Yes.
You know, and it just has that little pop, you know, coming off the street.
I call it curbalicious.
I love it.
So we want to show you this over here.
Oh, wow. So amazing.
We removed those blackberry bushes, makes
Wow.
such a difference.
It has truly framed it.
And then put this vine here as well that will wrap around, and then within, you know, probably a year, we'll have this beautiful trellis.
I can't wait to see inside.
Okay, go see?
Yeah.
Let's go.
Okay.
All right, here we go. Don't peek.
Okay. From sad to glad.
Okay. You go first.
You go first.
This is so amazing. Look at the light.
Yes. The lighter floors, the lighter walls. So what my design was here is I wanted to go with earthy boho. And in the living room here, it was about, you know, opening it up, but also showing our buyers all of the seating.
And all of this furniture, and it still looks huge.
It does.
And that,
What do you think?
I walked in and I went, you kept the piano.
She turned
Larry's
it into a
piano.
She turned it into a planter.
It's so perfect. What a beautiful transformation. I'm so excited.
And it's just the first room.
I can hardly wait. Oh my gosh. This is beautiful. There's doors.
Yes.
The trim and the colors. And now with all the light coming in
Yes.
from the double doors.
Yes.
This is beautiful.
Do you want to go look in the kitchen?
Okay. The backsplash is amazing.
Yes.
The colors define this area so amazing. And the floor,
Yeah.
everything. This is all new.
Touch and feel and look.
I don't know what this is, but it's gorgeous.
It's just a honed concrete countertop.
all new.
And do you
cupboards.
notice that the ceilings?
Oh my gosh, it used to be like
Yes.
right
Yes.
here. You did it.
Let's go see the bathroom.
Go ahead, Linda.
Oh my gosh, this is beautiful. New sink, new countertops. Is that a new tub?
It is.
Oh. It's very touching to see our brother's house become a diamond in the rough.
I'm happy you like it.
Okay, let's go see
Let's
the
keep
2 spare
looking.
bedrooms.
Are these new doors?
They
Yes.
are.
Oh, wow. Now this is a main bedroom.
Yes. No pink carpet.
No pink, again, the flooring, the beautiful skylight.
Big rug underneath.
Amazing.
Okay, and then finally that bathroom off of the main.
Oh my goodness. I love everything, but this wall, when you open the door, says, come on in. Again, brand new counters and sinks and cupboards.
I wanted to feel like it was a little elevated. So we did this whole wall of tile. It's not anything your neighbor's gonna have.
That's it. It has the wow factor.
Absolutely.
I'm overwhelmed. It is saying, come on in, let me show you the rest of this home.
So are you saying you're ready to list?
Oh, yes.
Our plan is to have open houses this weekend. So Linda, let's talk numbers. You originally listed with another agent at $425,000. We came in and put in $75,000. We're gonna go ahead and list it at $575,000. And I feel super confident, even in this market that's really shifted substantially the last couple months, that we are gonna find a great, strong offer, and this house is really gonna bless somebody. Well, come on in.
I love the boho vibe. Like, just first impressions, so open.
Then we turned a piano into a big planter.
Makes a really nice entry piece.
I
when
like
you come
how
in.
the plant's hanging over it.
Yeah.
Do you want to check out the dining and kitchen?
Oh, I would love to.
Yeah.
I love the backsplash.
Yes.
Such a unique wall that I honestly didn't notice there wasn't a shower in here.
That was an awesome open house.
It really was. You know what I found interesting? There were a lot of young home buyers, which is exactly what we predicted.
Yeah.
So I guess now we just have to wait and see, which is kind of the hard part.
Yeah, it absolutely is, especially in this market.
Yeah.
We got a full price offer on Larry's home. Yay! And the buyer absolutely loved that piano, insisted it stayed with the house. And we're going to close in the next 5 days, and Larry can just enjoy his life and not stress about this anymore.
I want to tell you, he got online and is so overcome. He noticed every detail.
Yay! We love you. We'll talk soon.
Okay, love you too.
Bye.
That was brilliant pricing. Good job.
Amazing design. Good job. And way to kill it on that piano.